Hi, I just wanted to quickly show you the different opportunities that your assessments provide each week, okay? It didn't work the way it was supposed to this morning, and I wanted to show you so that you had a clear understanding. So for the daily quiz, when you go in and you click in your daily quiz, you'll have unlimited attempts, okay? And if you get it right or wrong, you'll get feedback. Let me go to problem number 2. Okay, it says round to the nearest hundred. Ones, tens, hundreds. That's this guy here. I'm going to do it wrong, okay? I'm going to put in the very, very wrong answer, okay? And I'm going to check my answer, okay? Let's say I get it wrong. Okay, well, here's my feedback, okay? I did it wrong. I need to review my feedback, and with my feedback, I'm going to try this problem again, okay? I'm going to look at my place, the hundreds. I'm going to look next door. 5 or greater, add 1 more, okay? And then we put zeros behind. So let's see. It says try again, so I'm going to hit try again. And I'm going to try it again. 24, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 24, 4, 5, 6, 400. I'm going to check my answer, and I got it right. So you'll see it, it'll get right if you get it right. If you get it wrong, it won't show up. Okay, so I'm just going to do the wrong. What's the perimeter? 90 feet. I get it wrong. Okay, and I don't have a check here, and it's alerting me that I don't have it right. So I can try another question like this one, okay? And you should be able to keep going and keep going without penalty for your quizzes. So you could get them wrong and try it again, get them wrong. The goal is to get 100% on your quizzes before you start your assignment. Get 100% on that quiz so that you kind of know the building blocks for your assignment, okay? That's the quiz. If you get it wrong, try another one. Try another one. Try again. Okay, the practice is a little bit different. Okay, Chapter 1 practice is non-graded. Okay, so in here, you can go through, you can do any of the problems. You can check them to see if they're correct, check them to see if they're incorrect. You can clear your choice, and you can try another one. Okay, well, I got it wrong. Let's see, I need to round to the nearest 10. This is my ones, this is my tens. Oh, so I need to round to the 8. So I need this one here. So you check your answer, and you get it right. So what you can do is you can select what you think is right, and you can check it. Then you can clear it, and you can try again. So with the non-graded portion of the assignment, you can as you work through it, you'll see they get grayed out as you finish them. But keep in mind, this is not graded. It's not going into your assignment. It's not going to hurt you. It's meant to try and practice, and just to kind of see your strengths and see where you need to study before you take your actual assignment. Now, the actual assignment is this one here, and there are 3 attempts on your assignment, okay? So when you go into your assignment, this will be changed to 3, and as you work through them, it'll show you right or wrong. Now, let's say I get it wrong, 51,798. Now let's do this one. So I'm going to check it. If I get it wrong, I can try it again. 51,798. Okay, let's try that one. Check. Okay, correct. But notice that you got a small penalty for getting it wrong. Okay, so there will be a small penalty. However, if you've written out all your answers and you want to take your quiz again, your Chapter 1 assignment again, go for it. And maybe there's like 3 or 4 that you get wrong. If everything's written down, you should be able to go in, click the right answer, go in, click the right answer, go in, click the right answer. It won't take a ton of time. Then you can maybe focus on the 3 problems that you got wrong and try those again, okay? Remember, for all of these assignments, a quiz, assignment, any of it. When you are done, you need to finish your attempt. If you don't finish, if you don't submit all and finish, every time you're done with something, even if you want to do it over again, like not for the daily quiz especially, submit it anyways. You can resubmit it later. The Chapter 1 assignment, submit at the end when you're ready, okay? Because you only have 3 attempts, okay? But the daily quiz, submit, keep submitting to me. At the end when you're ready to turn it in, submit all and finish, submit all and finish, okay? So just a quick review for the daily quiz. You can submit as many times as you want to, but make sure you're submitting at the end of your attempts, because I don't see a score. I don't see anything unless you submit. Chapter 1 practice is you just get in there and practice. You really don't even need to submit it. You can if you want to, but you do not have to. At the Chapter 1 assessment, you should have 3 attempts, 3 submissions. Go through it one time, see how you did. Write down your answers, write everything down. If you want to do it a second time, you're welcome to do that. And then a third time even as well. Be sure to submit at the end of your assignments.